inspiring story from Rajasthan, a former soldier has achieved an extraordinary academic milestone by earning 138 degrees, diplomas and certificates. Dashrath Singh Shekhawat, a resident of Jhunjhunu district, recently received his latest qualification at the convocation of Indira Gandhi National Open University after completing a master's degree in Vedic Studies with distinction. The 55-year-old ex-serviceman claims to have set off 11 world records in education, including recognitions from the India Book of Records, Golden Book of World Records, Asia Book of Records, and International Book of Records. Singh was born in Kirod village and said that higher education once seemed like a distant dream due to financial constraints after completing class 10th. Coming from a farming family in a region known for sending youth to the armed forces, he joined the Indian Army in the year 1988. He served as a non-commissioned officer for 16 years before retiring in 2004. Despite his military career, Singh said he always felt his education was incomplete. He first earned a BCom degree followed by LLB, LLM, BJMC and B.Ed as a regular student. He also pursued additional degrees through Indira Gandhi National Open University, Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute and several private universities. So far, Singh has earned 3 PhDs, 7 undergraduate degrees, 46 postgraduate degrees, 23 diplomas, 7 military studies degrees and 52 certificates. After retiring from the army, Singh studied law and later took up a legal advisor position at the army's Sapta Shakti Command. Dashrath Singh Shekhawat's journey reflects determination and a lifelong passion for learning, turning what once seemed impossible into an extraordinary academic achievement.